In this tutorial, we will solve some exercises based on what we learned in previous tutorial. We will be creating this object and this object. Let's start with this object. Click on ISO part, then right click on synchronous, click on transition to order. Click on sketch, click on horizontal plane. In this sketch, at first we will create this octagon of 20 edge length. Click on arrow near the rectangle and click on polygon by center. Then give number of edges as 8, enter. Then click the center point and take the point up and click there. Then click on smart dimension, click on this line, click below and give the length of 20. To make it straight, click on this horizontal vertical, click on this line. We will remove this dimension, select it and delete it, and we will give it again 20. Click on smart dimension, select this line, click below, then give the dimension of 20, enter. Then we'll create this hexagon of 26 face to face distance. Click on again arrow near the rectangle, polygon by center, give the sides to be 6, then give the center point, take up and click there. Make this line as horizontal so it will not rotate automatically. Click on horizontal vertical, select this line, then give the smart dimension from this line to this line 26. Then next will be the pentagon. Click on polygon by center, give the number of edges as 5. Now we don't want pentagon around center, we want at a distance of 6 from the bottom line. Therefore we will create it at some distance from the center below. Click there, then click, then make this line horizontal vertical, click on this line. Then in this case the edge length is 25. Give the smart dimension, so this length is 25. Then we want the gap between these two lines. Click on this line, and the gap, give the gap of 6. Escape, click on escape. Then next will be this vertical portion 20 by 14. Select the line command and create vertical line. Drag the point and click. Right click, smart dimension, make it 14, is already there, enter. Then for this it is 20 is also there. Escape, zoom fit. Then this drawing is ready. Click on close sketch. Finish, cancel. For next drawing, click on new, ISO part, right click, transitions to order, sketch, select the horizontal plane, escape to cancel the line command. Then next is this object. At first we will create these reference lines. Pan it, press shift, scroll and drag the mouse. Then select line command. We'll take different color for this object. We'll take this one. Then we want center line. Click on this center and create by dragging the point. Create one center line. Right click. Then we would need one vertical center line. Right click, one center line here. right click, then one will be the horizontal center line, right click, and one more we will need. So we have created this one, this one, this one, this one, and one will be this one. So we will create one more here from here, right click, then place the dimensions, smart dimension. Dimension between these two vertical lines is 60. Select this line, give the distance of 60. Enter. Then to align this line with this y-axis, click on this connect. Click on this y-axis and this line. So it will align with the y-axis. Then next distance is, this is 82 and 56. Smart dimension, this line to this line, 82. Enter. Pan it down, and from this line to this line it is 56. All the points are located. Then here three circles of 28 diameter to be created. Click on circle, choose the color. I wanted this blue color. Then give the line type continuous. Then take the intersection point, create one circle. Here also one circle, and here one circle. Then smart dimension, diameter 28. Then click on this equal, select this circle and this circle and this circle, and okay, escape, this circle and this circle. Click on equal, this circle and this circle. So their diameter got equal. And next is this external circle is of 27 radius, 3 external circles. Create again circle, select the center point and create the circles at the intersection point. Then smart dimension, here we want 27 into 2, that is 54. Again click on this equal, select this circle and this circle, escape, then again equal, this circle and this circle. So their diameter will match. So all the 6 circles are created. Then this circle of 30 radius tangent to these two circles. Click on the arrow near the circle and select tangent circle. Select this circle, then smart dimension, give the diameter of 60, that is 30 radius. Then this circle is of 83 radius, tangent to this circle and this circle, like this. So again tangent circle, select this circle here and this circle here. Then smart dimension, give the dimension 83 multiplied by 2, that is 166. Then there are this radius 10 tangent circles. Tangent circle, select this circle and this circle, this circle and this circle. Then give the smart dimension 20 diameter, 10 radius. Here also 20 diameter. Then remove the escape. Remove the unwanted using trim command. Click on trim and click on the object to be removed. and remove all the unwanted objects. Or you can drag the mouse, press press the first button and drag the mouse. Okay, all unwanted objects has been removed. Zoom fit. Then we need this circle 22 and 40. Create again center line, line, make it center, choose this color and reduce the thickness 0.35. Create one line horizontal here, right click, and one vertical line. Right click, give the gap 22 and 40. Smart dimension from this line to this line 40, and from this line to this line 22. Then from this center point create one circle, circle by center, take the intersection, then give the smart dimension, it is of 20. Escape, select this circle and make the change the color to blue, line type to continuous. Escape, and thickness to 0.7. Then next is this tangent line. Click on the line, take the click on this arc and take ahead until tangent symbol is shown. Once tangent symbol is shown, click on it. Just undo it. We'll change the line type. Make the color blue. Line type continuous. Thickness 0.7. Then line. Click on this circle and tangent symbol is shown. Click there. Right click. Again here from quadrant to quadrant. From this quadrant to this quadrant. Right click. Remove this arc. Trim. Click and drag the first point. Zoom fit. This object is also ready. So both objects are ready. Thanks for watching. We will stop here.